This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to file unemployment taxes on TurboTax. Whether you're new to filing taxes or just need a bit of guidance, this guide will help you navigate the process with ease. Filing unemployment taxes can seem daunting, but TurboTax makes it straightforward. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the TurboTax application and head straight to the Federal Taxes section. This is your starting point for all things related to your federal tax filing. Once you're in this section, you'll notice several categories that are important for completing your tax return. For our purposes, we're interested in the Wages and Income section. Click on it, and you'll see that TurboTax organizes your income into various types, making it a bit easier to find exactly what you're looking for. As you scroll through the Wages and Income section, keep an eye out for the category labeled Unemployment and Paid Family Leave. This is where you'll input any unemployment benefits you've received during the tax year. You'll need to click on the Start or Update button next to where it says Unemployment. This form is essential because it reports the unemployment benefits paid to you and any federal income tax withheld from those benefits. Now, let's talk about why this step is so crucial. The Form 1099-G is issued by your state unemployment agency and shows the total unemployment benefits you received. It's important to enter this information accurately because unemployment benefits are generally taxable and need to be reported on your federal tax return. Also, any federal taxes withheld from your unemployment benefits will be reported here. So you'll want to ensure everything matches up. Once you click Start or Update, TurboTax will prompt you to enter details from your Form 1099-G. Have the form handy so you can input the exact figures. You'll typically need to enter the total amount of unemployment compensation you received and any federal income tax withheld from those benefits. If you're unsure about any numbers, refer back to your form, as it should clearly lay out everything you need. Remember, accuracy is key when entering this information. Mistakes or omissions could result in an incorrect tax return, which might lead to issues down the line, such as owing additional taxes or facing penalties. So, take your time here and double-check all entries against your Form 1099-G. TurboTax is designed to simplify this process by providing step-by-step guidance, so follow along carefully and don't hesitate to use any help features if you're uncertain about any details. Once you've entered all the necessary information, TurboTax will incorporate it into your overall tax return. It will calculate your total income and factor in any withholdings or credits to determine your tax liability or refund. This integration ensures that your unemployment benefits are properly accounted for within the context of your entire tax situation. Before you finalize and submit your return, it's always a good idea to review everything thoroughly. TurboTax provides a summary of your entries, allowing you to go back and make corrections if needed. When you're satisfied that all your information is accurate, you can proceed to file your taxes with confidence. And there you have it. Filing your unemployment taxes using TurboTax can be a seamless process when you follow these steps. By taking the time to accurately enter your Form 1099-G information, you're ensuring that your tax return is correct and complete. Thanks for watching, and happy filing.